didn't tell you there's money on TikTok. boyjayx here. Welcome to another video. Please, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel for me. It will mean the whole world to me if you help me get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you one thing they are failing or they are trying to hide from you.
Show us.
There's money on TikTok.
Say that again.
There's money on TikTok.
You hear that? Did you hear what he said?
It doesn't require... I don't want to say anything, but it doesn't require any huge... There are no huge requirements. Now, let me just get straight into the point. There's money on TikTok. All you need is 1,000 followers.
Just that.
It sounds easy, right? Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't get ahead of yourself. But yeah, there's money on TikTok. All you need for you to get money on TikTok, it's 1,000 followers. Now, the easiest way to generate income from TikTok is to go live. So I'm going to show you how you can go live after achieving the 1,000 followers results. I'm going to show you that, and then I'll show you where the real money is at the end of the video. Let's go.
Let's go check it out.
So this is my phone screen, so we can start with the whole process. First of all, you open the TikTok app and you know how the TikTok interface looks like. So you have to be sure you have 1,000 followers first. So as you can see, I have more than the 1,000 followers. So you see the plus sign down there on your screen where you create videos. You open that interface, the plus sign on your screen. You open that place and then it will take you to your camera. That's your creating area. So you swipe to your right, you see story, you see templates, and you see live. You see live, that's where the real deal is. So this the live interface. As you can see, there are many options there. With the subscription one, it's not available to everyone yet, so you would have to hold on to get there first because it's available by invite. Now let's go to the share button. You tap on the share button, you can share the live to whoever you want to share to visit your live, any of your friends. Then move on to the settings. That's where you add your moderators and comments and all those stuff. And that's where you can add whether people should give to you or not and all those stuff. So you explore there. Then we come to the effects. We come to the effects, how you want to look on the screen. How you want to look on the screen. So there are a lot of effects there. I mostly use the green screen. There. So I tap on the green screen and you see I select any image I want to use. I mostly use a black background with something written on it and all those stuffs. And then we move on to the enhancement. How you want your face to be, how smooth or so they're just there. You just explore with it. You can flip the camera front and back. You understand whether you want to use your front camera or your back camera. All these are just basics. Then we move on to the next button. That's the live center, where you can see the live events and all those stuffs. You get me? Then we move on to the down there. You can see there are gaming options there and all those stuffs. There are live studios and all those stuffs, but I've not explored there. So if you want to, you can go in there, go and explore that site. But I've not explored there. So let's move back to where I am. So there's the live goal. You can add a live goal. When you open the live goal, you see tons of gifts. You can edit and customize it. That's what you want to achieve. Maybe you want people to give you 10 roses. You want at the end of the live you should get 10 lions, you should get 10 perfumes, you should get 10 paper creams, anything. Just fix your own number according to what you want to achieve and hope a gifter will come and help you achieve. That's it. Then we move on to the topic. Then there are a lot of topics there: DIY, learning, and all those stuff, food, music. You choose which topic best suits your life. Then you set an intro, like something, a tag for your life. You get me? Something that anyone outside sees will read that, okay, this is what this life is about. And then I guess now we just go live. So you tap this, how it comes, and this how the live interface looks like. So congratulations, right now you can start making money, you can go live and then explore in there. So as I said, I'll show you where the money is at the end of the video.
Show us.
And the money is on TikTok.
You're kidding, right?
But yeah, when you join live streams of other content creators, try to follow their gifters.
It's the real deal.
Try to follow their gifters. I don't want to make this concept of gifters an exceptional thing, but yeah, there's no way you are going to get money or generate income from TikTok if you don't have gifters in your live stream. You don't have people who have the money to give to you, appreciate what you're doing. So make sure you connect, make friends with gifters. When you get your live matches, whatever you are doing on your live, you need these people we've termed as gifters to come and help you generate money on the app. So that's something small for you. I'll sit down and plan and create a more detailed video on this whole thing of going live, making money, and then having gifters in your circle. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram at boyjayx_. Add me up on Snapchat at boyjayx, and on TikTok it's still boyjayx. See you in my next video.